Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, one more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Picture. Happy birthday, Rachel.
Rachel!
Pwede na i-blow?
Tan tan tan.
Tupa.
Tan tan tan.
Happy birthday! Picture mo ko na.
There you go.
Ice yan! Ice!
Birthday.
It's really nice, the ice.
Pwede ka naman to?
Ice or what? I can drink
Yes, you can drink it.
this. Sure?
Yes, it's food grade candle.
Don't bring the battery.
Sure?
Tan 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 tan.
Kaya lang hindi na siya lumamig. Naka, ano na eh.
Ang galing naman ito, Faith. Isa pa picture.
Oo, ilalagay mo siya sa fridge. Sa freezer. Yan yung
Cheers,
surprise.
cheers, 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 cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers, Rachel.
Cheers!
Good health. Uy, picturean niyo tong ice, baka matunaw.
Rach, dito sa camera mo.
Picture na kita din ni Mami. O, dali na, tsaka din sa ano.
Kanina pa? Meron na kayo.
Ang ganda, oh.
Sige na, kain na tayong cake.
Slice na.
Uy, masarap to lahat, to. Ubusin natin lahat yan. Salamat. Eh, wait. I need to
Ay,
make
nilagay ko yan sa freezer na.
Ay, magsasalita muna ako.
Speech!
Speech, no?
Speech.
Pero yung Tagalog na lang.
Tay.
Aray ko tayo, ha?
Tay.
Okay.
Tay! Tay!
Tay, no, Tay. No, Tay.
Aray ko
Okay,
tayo, ha?
first I would like to thank all of you guys who attended this special day.
Yay!
I would like to thank Kate and Mel and the peeps at the flat 403 for preparing all the food. For
Yeah,
giving
great,
me
great.
different kind of ice. To Kate, who really worked hard. To Mel, to Ate Darlene, to Dang, to Loida. To all this. Sino pa hindi ko nabanggit? To Don. I would like to thank Mel for my outfit tonight. Parang
Yay!
isa lang.
Go, girl!
Sino pa? Hindi ko nalimutan. Si Aileen, si Rashi.
Mga hiwa.
Mga naghiwa.
Mga sangkalan.
Especially to Mariosot. Oy, kay Mariden na nag-arrange ng mga tsubanes.
Facilities man.
Wait!
Management.
Oy!
To my loving husband for the Thai food.
Aloy Magpag! Aloy Magpag! Aloy Magpag!
Kay ano pangalan ng friend mo, Kate? Si Ate Vivian tsaka si Van for this cake, for the fondant cake. I'm so happy. Especially, I'm so happy to be celebrating my birthday. I think it's been like 12 years I'm not celebrating my birthday with my mom. So, kailangan ka uminom ng ano.
Kiss, mami.
Happy ka?
One and only. One and only.
Sana hindi siya
Mami,
matunaw,
anong
okay?
masasabi niyo?
Speech, mami.
Speech ka din. Speechless ako eh. Mami, alam mo, marami nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes. You don't have to worry, mami.
Marami mga friends na nagmamahal. Lahat sila, all of them, they also love you. So, it's good.
Yes.
Of course, intercourse. Ano ka dyan?
Sorry.
Ano pa rin yan? Hoy, kahit hindi pa ito matutunaw, let's go eat the cake.
Saan yung ano? Massage mo?
Ay, grabe.
Ano plano?
Let's cut the cake.
Gusto mo, nag-ano pa siya.
Ha?
Gusto mo, nag-bibling pa siya.
Basta tuwa siya doon, cake. Hello?
Ate Kate,
Wala pong ilaw. Oy, best friend, yung kotse mo. Ano